Today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to plan your garden. Hello and welcome to the Best Garden channel on YouTube. Today we're going over how to use ChatGPT to plan your garden. Before you do that, if you don't yet know what growing zone you are in or what your last frost date is, pop over to almanac.com. They've got both. You can just look up right there. And they actually have a simple garden planner too, so you can use that if you'd like. But if you'd like to use ChatGPT to be more specific to what you are growing, then here is how you do it. First off, you just have to ask the question for ChatGPT to provide you growing dates and dates to start plants for your growing zone and last frost date. And if you have an idea of the plants that you want to grow, you would list them here. I just did some of the basic ones here in my prompt for a sample, but do what you are planning to grow. And then ask for it to create a .ics file for a calendar program. Then once you have this, it's as simple as opening a text editor. I did it here on a Mac, and I am using the text edit app, and you just paste in the code that ChatGPT gave you, and then you go up and save it as a .ics file, and then you can open that .ics file with the calendar program. You can either use the Apple native iCal or a Google Calendar program, and you can then have a calendar that has all of your plant starting dates on it. Make sure you ask for 2024. When I first did this, it gave me 2023 dates. But if you ask for 2024, you'll get what you need, and your calendar will then remind you when it's time to start your plants. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe to the channel, and we'll have more great updates coming in the future. I look forward to growing with you.